Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Tech Hacks. Have you ever wanted to mirror your Android phone screen on your Windows laptop or monitor? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. But that's not all, I'll also demonstrate how you can use your phone as a gamepad while playing Need for Speed No Limits on a bigger screen. Even better, I'll enable tilt controls to make the gameplay even more immersive. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to NextGen Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my tech tutorials. First, make sure that both your Android phone and Windows laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This step is extremely important because screencasting relies on a stable wireless connection between the two devices. Once you've checked that both devices are on the same network, you're ready to proceed. On your Windows laptop, open Settings and go to System. Scroll down and find Projecting to this PC. If optional features are required, select Option Features. You may need to manually install wireless display. In Add an optional feature, simply click on View Features, scroll down and search for wireless display. Select it and click Next, then click Add. Now wireless display feature adding to Windows. Once the installation is complete, search for wireless display in the Start menu and open the app. Now, your laptop is ready to accept a wireless display connection. Next, it's time to cast your Android phone screen. Open the Control Center and look for the cast icon. This may be labeled Screen Mirroring or Smart View depending on your device. Tap Cast, and your phone will start searching for nearby devices. Your laptop should appear in the list. Simply select it, and the screen mirroring process will begin. If the cast option isn't visible, you can go to Settings, type Cast in the search bar, and turn it on manually. After a few seconds, your phone screen will be displayed on your laptop or monitor. The best part is that the audio also plays from the laptop instead of the phone, providing a better experience. Now, let's move on to gaming. Open Need for Speed No Limits on your phone, and you'll see the game running on your monitor while using your phone's touchscreen to control it. This setup allows you to enjoy mobile gaming on a bigger display while keeping full control in your hands. For an even more immersive experience, enable tilt controls in the game settings. Instead of tapping buttons on the screen, simply tilt your phone left and right to steer the car. Tap to activate nitro boosts or drift, all while watching the game on a much larger screen. Tilt controls give you a much more natural feel, making it seem like you're actually holding a racing wheel. Screencasting isn't just for gaming. You can also use it to view photos, watch movies, read articles, or browse the web on a larger screen. If you want to watch a movie without transferring files, simply open a media player like VLC on your phone, cast it to your laptop, and enjoy a full-screen experience. Keep in mind that some copyrighted content may have restrictions depending on the app. And that's it. Now you know how to cast your Android phone screen to Windows, use your phone as a gamepad, and enable tilt controls for a more realistic gaming experience. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to NextGen Tech Hacks for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.